In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to write numbers with formatting in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever looked at a sheet full of raw numbers and felt it was hard to read, formatting is the fix. It makes your data clearer without changing the actual values behind the scenes, which is especially helpful for budgets, reports, and any document you'll share with others. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop. Make sure you're in the right tab and sheet where your data lives. Next, select the cells containing the numbers you want to format. You can drag to highlight a range, use Shift-click to select a block, or hold Control or Command to select multiple separate areas. Now go to the top menu and click Format, then choose Number. This is where all the main formatting options live. You'll see choices like number, currency, percentage, date, time, or custom number format. Pick the one that matches how you want the values to appear. For example, number is great for general figures and can show decimal places. Currency adds a money symbol and uses your locale's separators to keep values readable. Percentage displays values as percents, so a value like 0.25 becomes 25%. Date and time interpret numbers as calendar dates or clock times, which is perfect if your sheet includes schedules or timestamps. If you need something more precise, choose Custom Number Format. In the field that appears, type your pattern. For two decimal places with thousands separators, you can use nashka at $0. For a currency display without decimals, try $. In these patterns, the hashtag symbol shows optional digits, while 0 forces a digit to appear even if it's 0. The comma adds thousands grouping, and the period sets the decimal places. This lets you tailor the look exactly to your needs. When you've chosen your format, press Enter to apply the formatting. The change will apply to all selected cells at once. If something doesn't look right, remember that you can always undo and try a different format or adjust the custom pattern. Your numbers will now display according to the selected style, making them easier to read and interpret. Keep in mind, formatting affects how values look, not how they're calculated, so formulas and totals will continue to work as expected. And that's how you write numbers with formatting in Google Sheets on desktop. With just a few clicks, your data becomes cleaner, more professional, and far easier to understand.